We're back with another makeup tutorial. So as you guys can see, we're just doing our official thing. So we're doing our toning our face. Make sure you do that. Well, I don't know how you do your skin prep, but this is a part of my skin prep and my daily skin routine. But yeah, so I'm just going to be toning my face, then putting some lip gloss on because nobody wants some crusty lips. Then we go in with our primer, our sticky primer. Make sure it grips the makeup. Make sure that the makeup stays. So rub that into your skin. Make sure everywhere is hydrated. You don't want your skin to be dry at all. So yeah, we're just making sure we prime our face, and then we're going into our eyebrow prep. So we're using our gel to lay down our eyebrows because we want them to stay down, sleep all night, stay sharp. So yeah, we're just gluing, I don't know what's that called again? Gelling them down, yes. So we're just gelling them down using a little fan. This fan has been going through it with me, but yes. Then we go on to drawing our brows. So we're filling in our brows with our brown pencil. So there we go. You don't have to be the best artist, but as long as you know what you're doing. So yes. And then we're going to brush them out a little bit just so we can fade the front. And then obviously you have to define and carve the brows. So here we are carving the bottom. Make sure it's to your desired shape and length and just how you like it. And mind you guys, they don't have to be twins. They can be sisters, they can be cousins. They don't have to be perfect. You just draw it, and if it looks good to you, then it's fine. Don't really have to care about what anybody has to say. But yeah, we're just blending out the lines to make sure they're not too harsh. And then we're going in and prepping our eyelids because obviously we're going to be wearing a eyeshadow. So yeah. So we're going in and priming them. And then we go in with some black as a transition color. Y'all know how I love my black. And then we add some brightening cream on our lids to brighten them up. And then we're putting some powder over that to brighten it up a little bit because I'm wearing orange. We're doing some orange blush today. Orange eyeshadow today. Lately, I just been trying to get into trying bright colors. So you're going to be seeing a lot of that. So today we're doing orange. So we're just packing that onto our eyelids. There we have the first eye is done. How does that look so far? I like it. And then we go on to the next one. Pack that on. Make sure the entire white is covered and there's no white showing underneath. There you have it. Then we move on into our foundation. The reason why I did my eyeshadow first is because I didn't want anything to get on. In case any got on my skin, it's fine. Now I can wipe it off and put my foundation on. So yeah, so here we are with the foundation. Put that on your face. Make sure you dab that into your skin so that way it looks like your skin, because that's the goal. That's what we're trying to go for. You want it to look seamless like it's your skin. And then we go on with our contour. Contour the face to your desired shape. That's the color that I'm using to contour. Today we want it a bit bright, so we want our face shape to be bright a little bit. So yeah, just wait for the process though. Just wait for it, guys. Don't worry, we're going to blend it out. It won't be this harsh. It won't be this bright. It will be a little bright, but it won't be as bright. But yeah, we're blending it out, so make sure you blend that out. Then we do our blush. That shade is also in that little palette. Not a one size fits all palette. Amazon palette, yes. But yeah, so we blend that. Make sure we're using a beauty blender at this step. So blend it out with your beauty blender. Blend, blend, blend. And then blend out your blush. You know, we like a good blush over here. If it's not bright enough, then pack on some more. Why not? If they can't see the blush, then you ain't got enough blush on. Then a little contour works every time. Mm-hmm. Make sure that shape is, chiseled, sharp. Make sure they're able to notice it. Otherwise, you didn't do good enough of a job. Just saying. Don't come for me. I'm just a messenger. But yeah, anyways, I'm doing my makeup the way I know how to do it and the way I like to do it. You can do your makeup the way you like to do it and the way it fits your face. And let's just leave it at that. But yeah, we continue to blend that out, shape out the nose a little bit so you can get that little pointy nose. Blend out some more, make sure everything is blended and cooperating together. Let's just say it. I'm trying to find the words to use, but yeah. And then we go in with our baking powder. You can bake a little bit. Put in some brightness. Bring back some brightness into the face a little with some baking powder. Not the literal baking powder, but the makeup baking powder. But yeah, we know that. Pack that on to your desired areas that you like to put that on to. Then blend it out a little bit because obviously you don't want to be looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost out here. So yeah, blend that out. Please be nice in the comments. If you don't have anything nice to say, you don't have to say anything at all. Like, just continue moving on. This is not the only video on here. I'm sure you can go find another video that you can go watch. But please be nice in the comments. If there's something that you see that you would like to give critics on, I would hope that you would say it in a nice way. Because at the end of the day, we all have feelings. And like I said, I am not a professional makeup artist. But yeah. Anyways, back on track. We're putting on our shimmers. Put some on your nose. Put some on that cheek. Make sure they can see it. Otherwise, you didn't put enough. And then we put on our eyelashes. This look wouldn't really be complete without lashes. And here's our fit. Ooh, look at that skin, shiny. And there you have it. Let me know what you think of it, guys. Yeah,